What's up everybody, Jordan here from TikTok today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Safemore Professional Surge Protector. Alrighty, so to get this one, you can go to Amazon.ca or .com or also in the app. It's going to run you $36 and read you some features. Supply power to 12 devices simultaneously, 8 AC outlets, current up to 10 amps, voltage 110 to 125 volts, 60 Hz frequency. Apply to small home and kitchen appliance, home theater systems, computer and office devices. It also has 4 USB fast charging ports, voltage 5 volts, output 2.1 amps, smart technology compatible phone, tablets and more. Yeah, so it's got a 2-piece power button so you can power off half the AC sockets, and then there's also one for the USB, you can see there. And there's an indicator light, both on the top and on the side for the USB ports, which is dope. Yeah, let's keep moving. So I'm gonna plug some stuff into this, and I'll show you how it looks with a bunch of things plugged into it. Let's keep it moving. Show you the things I've got here. I've got my Anchor 10,000 mAh portable charger, charging. Got my on shower speaker, charging, Anchor wireless charger. Has an iPhone cable, a couple micro USB cables. And I've got another phone charging over here. Got my Sony speaker, my wireless battery charger from Magneta. I've got my P20 Pro charging back here. Got another wireless charger and another phone. Yeah, and I still have one free AC plug, so I could plug in something like a TV or a monitor, or I could replace the fan that I have just off camera with a PS3 or a PS4 and game with it. It's pretty dope, so this can charge lots of things. It's a great thing for your desk setup or like a media setup, like in a man cave or something like that. Yeah, highly recommend this. It works really well, plugs in lots of things. Control the power to both sides with the buttons on top and the USB ports, which is really cool. Let's keep it moving. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back more soon. Peace.